What is one of the 5 principles of coexistence mentioned in the text? A. Cultural exchange programs. B. Non-aggression. C. Restoration of normal relations. D. Trade embargoes. The correct answer is C. Restoration of normal relations. What does Nm stand for in the context of atomic measurement? A. Newton meter. B. Nitrometer. C. Nuclear magnet. D. Nanometer. The correct answer is D. Nanometer. Which of the following is a common antipyretic mentioned in the text? A. Insulin. B. Aspirin. C. Amoxicillin. D. Penicillin. The correct answer is B. Aspirin. Which religious practices are mentioned in the text? A. Shinto and Taoism. B. Sikhism and Jainism. C. Christianity and Judaism. D. Hinduism, Islam, and Buddhism. The correct answer is D. Hinduism, Islam, and Buddhism. Which cell part is described as the brain or control center of the cell? A. Chloroplasts. B. Vacuoles. C. Nucleus. D. Mitochondria. The correct answer is C. Nucleus. Whose campaign and work led to the enactment of Widow Remarriage Reform Act of 1856? A. Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. Annie Besant. D. Raja Rammohan Roy. The correct answer is A. Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar. Which of the following is not explicitly mentioned as a property of light to be learned about? A. Neither or nor. B. B. Reflection. C. Dispersion. D. Refraction. The correct answer is C. Dispersion. What does the Constitution of India list for citizens? A. Their hobbies and interests. B. Their fundamental rights and duties. C. Their educational qualifications. D. Their preferred political parties. The correct answer is B. Their fundamental rights and duties. Which rivers are mentioned as emptying into the Indian Ocean, contributing to extensive abyssal plains? A. Indus and Tigris rivers. B. Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. C. Danube and Rhine rivers. D. Yellow and Mekong rivers. The correct answer is B. Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. What is a region in a longitudinal wave where particles are closest together? A. Compression. B. Vibration. C. Rarefaction. D. Oscillation. The correct answer is A. Compression. Which vitamin deficiency leads to nyctalopia? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin B. The correct answer is A. Vitamin A. How many presidencies had universities founded in 1857? A. 2. B. 4. C. 1. D. 3. The correct answer is D. 3. Which river originates from the Tibetan Plateau and flows into the Gulf of Pohai? A. Indus. B. Brahmaputra. C. Hangho. D. Yangtze. The correct answer is C. Hangho. Sir William Hawkins belonged to which country? A. Portugal. B. France. C. England. D. Spain. The correct answer is C. England. Which concept is relevant to the naming of species? A. Saprophytic nutrition. B. Binomial nomenclature. C. Five kingdom classification. D. Invertebrate classification. The correct answer is B. Binomial nomenclature. What is the term for the onset of the menstrual cycle in human females? A. Ovulation. B. Menarche. C. Puberty. D. Menopause. The correct answer is B. Menarche. Why is North America's climate as varied as Asia's? A. Its proximity to oceans. B. Its vast latitudinal extent. C. Its varied topography. D. Its diverse vegetation. The correct answer is B. Its vast latitudinal extent. Which characteristic describes the fuels first used by man? A. They require high refining processes. B. They are liquid in nature. C. They are easy to store and transport. D. Their extraction is difficult. The correct answer is C. They are easy to store and transport. What was the initial ownership structure of most firms in industrial clusters like Tirupur? A. Managed by foreign investors. B. Run by leading garment exporters. C. Run by local entrepreneurs. D. Controlled by government agencies. The correct answer is C. Run by local entrepreneurs. What is the function of the external ear, pinna? A. To connect muscles via tendons. B. To support bones. C. To form a joint capsule. D. To provide structural support with cartilage. The correct answer is D. To provide structural support with cartilage. Who was later known as Periyar? A. S. Satyamurthy. B. C. Rajaji. C. Maulana Shaukat Ali. D. E.V. Ramaswamy. The correct answer is D. E.V. Ramaswamy. Which of the following is a basic life requirement for those impacted by disaster? A. Advanced technological devices. B. Luxury accommodations. C. Food, water, and shelter. D. High-speed internet. The correct answer is C. Food, water, and shelter. How long are plates typically used for before being discarded? A. 20 minutes. B. 20 weeks. C. 20 hours. D. 20 days. The correct answer is A. 20 minutes. In the convection activity described, what substance is used to create purple streaks in water? A. Magnesium oxide. B. Sodium chloride. C. Copper sulfate. D. Potassium permanganate. The correct answer is D. Potassium permanganate. Which Palyak Karar did not support Pulithevar's confederacy? A. Panayur. B. Ittyapuram. C. Vasudev Nallur. D. Nerkattum Seval. The correct answer is B. Ittyapuram. What agreement signed between India and the USA in 2017 facilitates a new generation of bilateral military partnership? A. JIM. B. Make in India. C. JEC. D. COMCASA. The correct answer is D. COMCASA. Which section of the Indian Penal Code is mentioned in relation to traffic violations? A. 301A. B. 304A. C. 303A. D. 302A. The correct answer is B. 304A. What year was Luigi Galvani dissecting a frog when a significant event occurred? A. 1810. Born in 1780. Circa 1800. D. 1789. The correct answer is born in 1780. Which institution is presently known as Tamil Nadu Archives, TNA? A. The Pondicherry Record Office. B. The Madras Record Office. C. The Cochin Record Office. D. The Cuddalore Record Office. The correct answer is B. The Madras Record Office. How do animals primarily rely on plants? A. For shelter and pollination. B. For water and sunlight. C. For food and shelter. D. For protection from predators. The correct answer is C. For food and shelter. How did you score?